The Fliegl 300 Ultra semi-trailer is made for farms, especially big round or square bales. It carries up to 29,000 kilograms on a 13-meter deck that's just less than 2.5 meters wide. They've come up with a really smart new kind of wheel, and it's actually useful, especially for mining. Instead of relying on the vehicle's suspension alone, the wheel has its own built-in suspension. Inside, there's a steel center connected to an outer drum using 12 nitrogen-filled cylinders plus 6 oil dampers. It's made from strong, ductile steel to survive hard conditions. Built from 20 years of trailer design experience, K-Boom makes loading easier. Self-contained hydraulics with a wireless remote let one person load and unloads alone. Lots of truckers wish they could hang a hammock in the cab. Instead of just dreaming, someone made one, the Truck Snoozer from Highway Hammocks. It's $635 and has sold 900 worldwide. It's for trucks without a sleeper and holds 187 kilograms. This next trailer works with commercial containers, so it fits farm jobs and road runs. You can choose different arms, a wireless remote, cart-on shaft drive, and brakes with ABS or load sensing. Best part? One chassis can swap bodies fast. Picture a fixed-frame air suspension on a 5-inch X-Series axle. It's 19% stiffer than similar axles, so it flexes less and helps tires last longer. Now let's talk about this company which builds cargo platforms that work with tractors and other heavy-duty transport gear. One project was made for a Germany-only rule that causes real headaches. In Germany, trucks with an 8x4 chassis can't go over 32 tons total, so moving heavier loads legally becomes a problem. So the engineers got clever. They made a vehicle that looks like a normal 5-axle truck, but it's actually a mix between a rigid truck and a semi-trailer. DHLM is a hydraulic tail lift that helps you load heavy items. There are 2 versions. LM10 lifts up to 1,000 kilograms and LM20 up to 2,000 kilograms, perfect for delivery trucks. For more, it lowers to ground level. Starting a mobile food business can be a first step. BBM Food Trucks builds trailers for pizza, coffee, ice cream, seafood, and more. You can choose the equipment and look, or pick a ready-to-work unit and just add your products and crew. Robson Drive is a mechanical add-on that gives trucks extra grip when they start to slip. It's handy for vehicles that usually power only one axle. Switch it on, and a drum on the main axle presses against a drum on the other axle, so both axles share the spin.